everyone. A couple of days ago I was scrolling through YouTube and I came across a video from Creative Lori. She's partnering with another YouTuber, Bum Bee. I'm gonna leave a link to both of their channels down below. What they put out was an open challenge to do a Dollar Tree DIY $5 Valentine's project. And I am crazy about the Dollar Tree, so I definitely wanted to participate. So before I go through and give you a list of the items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, if you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do that. Click the button down below. Do a lot of these Dollar Tree DIY projects and just a lot of crafty projects in general. Things that I picked up from the Dollar Tree were 2 plain t-shirts, one for me, one for my daughter. Picked up a roll of contact paper and makeup sponges. That's it. I also used some acrylic craft paint that I picked up from Walmart, but paint was not included in this $5 limit. So I was able to get all of this stuff and get it done for $5. So let's take a look at how I put this together. First thing I did was put my contact paper into my Cricut, and I had it cut out a stencil, and I put the setting on Paper Plus. Then I'm going to use some clear contact paper to transfer my stencil onto my t-shirt. Normally I will use freezer paper to do my t-shirts, and I iron the freezer paper onto the t-shirt, but Dollar Tree didn't have any freezer paper, so we're going to give contact paper a try. It may not work as well. We'll see. Decide to use my hair dryer and just shoot it at the stencil for a few minutes while I rub my fingers over it, just making sure that there was a really good seal between the stencil and the shirt. Hopefully that will help prevent any bleeding. I'm going to place some cardstock in between the layers of the shirt, just so that if there's any bleeding through from the paint, it won't get onto the back of the t-shirt. I'm going to take my fuchsia acrylic paint and my Dollar Tree makeup sponge, and I'm just going to very lightly start painting over the stencil. I ended up doing 2 layers of paint for this t-shirt, and I used my hair dryer in between the coats of paint just to speed things up. When it was dry, I peeled off the contact paper stencil, and I take my iron, no steam, on high heat, and I just press it over the paint just for probably 10-15 seconds, and I do wipe it on a towel in between just in case I have any paint that might be stuck. And this just helps seal the paint. Okay, then I'm going to repeat the whole process for my shirt. Guys, thanks so much for watching. This was a really fun, quick little project. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next one.